Thinking about selling, trading in, or giving away your iPad? Before handing it to someone else, you should erase all personal data, including photos, messages, contacts, accounts, and private files. In this video, we'll show you 4 safe ways to erase all data from iPad permanently, including Apple's built-in methods and a professional iOS data eraser. Method 1. Erase all content and settings on iPad. Recommended official method. The easiest way to erase an iPad is using Apple's built-in erase feature. Before starting, back up your important data, ensure your iPad has Wi-Fi or enough battery, and remember your Apple ID password needed to disable activation lock. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPad. Tap General. Step 2. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPad. Tap Erase all content and settings. Step 3. Tap Continue. Enter your iPad passcode. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password to turn off Find My iPad and activation lock. Step 4. Confirm the erase process. Your iPad will restart and remove your personal data, returning to the Hello Setup screen. This method is perfect when you still have your iPad and want to reset it normally. Method 2. Erase iPad remotely using Find My. If you no longer have your iPad, you can erase it remotely using Apple's Find My feature. This is useful if your iPad is lost, stolen, or already away from you. Step 1. Open the Find My app on another Apple device, or visit iCloud.com/find. Step 2. Sign in with the same Apple ID used on your iPad. Step 3. Select your iPad from the device list. Choose Erase this device. Step 4. Follow the instructions to confirm. Once your iPad connects to the internet, the erase command will be sent and your data will be removed. Note: remote erase requires Find My iPad to have been enabled beforehand and the device to be connected to the internet. Method 3. Restore iPad using Finder or iTunes. Another way to erase an iPad is restoring it through a computer. This method removes the data and reinstalls the latest compatible iPadOS version. For Mac users, on a Mac running macOS Catalina or later, connect your iPad with a USB cable, open Finder, select your iPad under Locations, go to the General tab, click Restore iPad, and confirm. For Windows users, connect your iPad to the computer, open iTunes, select your iPad, go to Summary, click Restore iPad, and confirm. After restoration, your iPad will restart as a new device. Note: if your iPad is disabled or you forgot the passcode, you need to put the iPad into recovery mode before restoring. Method 4. Permanently erase iPad data with Coolmuster iOS eraser. The previous methods can reset your iPad, but many users want extra protection when selling or donating an old device. In this case, a professional data eraser can help. Coolmuster iOS eraser is a tool that permanently erases private data from iPhone, iPad, and iPod, including photos, videos, contacts, messages, call history, apps, account information, and personal settings. The software overwrites existing data, helping prevent deleted information from being recovered. Step 1. Install and launch Coolmuster iOS eraser on your computer. Step 2. Connect your iPad using a USB cable. Unlock your iPad and tap Trust this computer if prompted. Step 3. Choose an erasing level based on your needs, low, medium, or high. Once you've made your choice, select the OK button, type Delete to confirm, click Erase and confirm again. The software will start permanently wiping your iPad data. When finished, your iPad will restart as a clean device.